Okay, sorry. Carmichael's trying to find the best way to set the camera up so you could see me. Move my chair out of the way here. Okay, so today we're going to work on adding with 10 frames. And a 10 frame is a box like a rectangle like this, and it has 10 frames in it, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Makes Carmichael making sure she's drawing the right amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to draw 2 of them, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. I have 2 10 frames. And the math problem I'm going to give you today will be, we'll do 8 plus 5. Remember, this plus sign in the middle means I'm adding my numbers together. I'm adding both of them to see what my answer is. You could draw these 10 frames on a piece of paper right now if you wanted. You do a rectangle and you put 10 squares in the middle. And I want you to start with 2 because I'm going to show you how it's so much easier when we can make a 10 frame to add. It helps us add a lot faster, okay? So let me get another color marker. There it is. Okay. So first thing I have is the number 8. So I'm going to fill this up with 8 circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 circles, okay? The next number I have to add is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 8 here and I have 5 here. In order to find the answer, I'd have to add them all together. But I'm going to show you a quicker way to do it. So I'm going to have you make 10 and then put the extra on the bottom to add it up. So I'm going to go ahead and erase the ones down here, and I'm going to add them to my 10s frame first. So I already have my 8, so I need to put 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I know now that this is all full, that this is 10. How many are here? 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. It's much easier to go up from 10 than it is to start from 8 and go all the way up. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay? So 10 plus 3 is 13, which means 8 plus 5 is also 13, because that's what I had here. I had 8 and I added 5 more. But it's so much easier when I just make this a 10 frame, because then I start at 10. It's much easier to add 10 to something than it is another number. All right, so let's do another one. This time I'm going to take the whole box away, and I'm going to show you how to just put the numbers underneath the frame. All right, Miss Carmichael's going to try and do this quick, because I don't know how to do that fancy stuff on my phone where magically you pause it and then restart it. I don't know how to do that stuff. Okay, all right, so now let's do 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4. So again, first I'll put my 8 down. The reason I use 2 different colors is because I want you to be able to see what I'm doing so you understand. So I'll put my 8 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's my 8. Now how many more do I have to add? I have to add 4. So let's put my 4. 1, 2, and I'll put the extras just right under it. 3, 4. So now I just got to add them again. Now I know that this filled up means it's how many? 10. So I'll go ahead and put my 10 there. 10 plus, what is this? 2. So what's 10 plus 2? It's 12. Good job. All I did was count up. 10, 11, 12. Boom. Much easier than starting at 8 and counting all the way up to get to 12. So 10 plus 2 is 12, which means 8 plus 4 is 12, because there's my 8 and there's my 4. So when you see the packet for this week and it shows you 10 frames and you're like, I don't know what I'm doing, watch this video again so that I can show you how to do it. Let's do another one, because I don't think we're done yet. Because I know you all, and sometimes you just need me to do it a couple more before you're really comfortable with it, okay? All right, on this one, I want you to pause the video and try and do it all by yourself first, okay? I'll give you 6 plus 5. What does that make, okay? So I want you to pause it, draw yourself one box here with 10 squares in it. Make sure there's 10. So after you draw it, count it. If there's more than 10, erase it and make sure there's only 10 squares in there. And then I want you to pause, Miss Carmichael, and try to do this on your own. Fill up your 6 and then add 5 more. And the extra you're going to put on the bottom and figure out what that answer is. And then unpause me and we'll do it together. Make sure you got it right, okay? All right, so I'm going to assume you paused me and you're ready to rock and roll. So let's go. We got the number 6, so I'm going to put my 6 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many more do I have to add to 6, does it say? I have to add 5, so let's add our 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I filled my tens frame, so I'm going to put my other one right here. 5. So now I know if my tens frame is filled, how many does that mean? That's right, it means 10. How many am I adding to that 10? Just the 1. So 10 plus 1 is, what's 10 plus 1? 11. Good job. 11. 10, and I moved up from 10. 10, 11. That was a lot easier than doing 6 plus 5. But if 10 plus 1 is 11, 6 plus 5 is 11 because that's the same thing, 6 and 5. So, I hope this helps somewhat. I will do as many more as you need. Have your grown-up give me a call. If you need me to help you on the phone, have them give me a call. And I love you and I miss you. Bye.